Hello guys, I welcome you all to my channel once again. In this video, I am going to teach you organic chemistry, and the chapter from organic chemistry that I am going to explain you is carbonyl compounds. Let us see the introduction about carbonyl compounds. What are carbonyl compounds? Which compound do we call as a carbonyl compound? From the name itself, we can say that the compounds consisting or the compounds which have a carbonyl group. So what is a carbonyl group? A carbonyl group is C double bond O. A C double bond O group is called as carbonyl group. So whichever compound has a C double bond O group, they are called as carbonyl compounds. And under these carbonyl compounds, we have aldehydes and ketones. So what is the definition of a carbonyl compound? The compounds having a carbonyl group, that is C double bond O, are collectively known as aldehydes and ketones or carbonyl compounds. So under carbonyl compounds, there are aldehydes and ketones. Now, let us see about aldehydes. The general formula of aldehyde is RCHO except for formaldehyde. Formaldehyde is the first one among aldehydes. So, in formaldehyde, we do not find any R in its structure. So, in the place of R, there will be hydrogen. So, the formula for formaldehyde is HCHO. Okay. And the general formula of ketones is RC double bond O R dash, where R and R dash are alkyl or aryl groups. Okay. Look at the difference between the general formula of an aldehyde and a ketone. Aldehyde's general formula is RC double bond O H, and general formula for ketones is RC double bond O R dash. That means the R and R dash, they can be alkyl groups or aryl groups or one alkyl and one aryl group. Whereas in aldehydes, there is only one R which represents either alkyl or aryl group. Fine. Next, the common names of aldehydes. They are derived from corresponding carboxylic acids. I think you might be knowing about carboxylic acids. What is a carboxylic acid? What is the general formula of a carboxylic acid? It is RC double bond O OH. RC double bond O OH is the general formula of a carboxylic acid. Now the common names of aldehydes, they are derived from the corresponding carboxylic acids. How to derive? By replacing ic, that is IC, and oic, that is OIC acid by aldehyde. So to understand this, I have jotted down few examples here. So look here, HCOOH, it is called as formic acid. HC double bond O OH is formic acid. The corresponding aldehyde is HC double bond O H. Okay. Now in formic acid, this IC acid should be replaced by aldehyde. So how does it change? It changes as formaldehyde. Okay. So what is its formula, students? HC double bond O. H is the formula for formaldehyde. Next, another example. CH3 C double bond O OH. You must be knowing the name of this compound, that is acetic acid. Okay. Again, ic acid should be replaced by aldehyde. Then how does it change? It changes as acetaldehyde. Then what is the formula of acetaldehyde? CH3 C double bond O. H is the formula of acetaldehyde. Okay, so carefully follow the common names of aldehydes. They are derived from corresponding carboxylic acids. The general formula of a carboxylic acid is RC double bond O OH. Okay, and how to derive? By replacing ic and oic acid by aldehyde. Two examples I have written here, formic acid and acetic acid. Formic acid, by replacing ic acid, we get the corresponding aldehyde, that is formaldehyde. HCOOH is formic acid, HCHO is formaldehyde. Next, CH3C double bond OH is acetic acid. Replacing ic acid by aldehyde, the corresponding aldehyde that we get from acetic acid is acetaldehyde. Its formula is CH3C double bond OH. And the IUPAC names of aldehydes. How do we get IUPAC names of aldehydes? By replacing small letter E in the name of the parent hydrocarbon by al. Okay, I think you might be little confused here. I am reading this sentence once again. Carefully follow me. The IUPAC names of aldehydes are derived by replacing small letter E in the parent hydrocarbon by Al. Let me explain this in detail. Look below the example given. HC double bond O H. So we have learnt the common name of HC double bond OH is formaldehyde. It is derived from the corresponding carboxylic acid, formic acid. I think you have understood there. Now, how to write IUPAC name of formaldehyde? The structure HC double bond OH. How many carbons are there in this structure? Only one carbon. Can you name the alkane which has only one carbon? That is CH4. What is its name, students? Its name is methane. Okay. Now, how to write IUPAC name of formaldehyde? By replacing hydrocarbon by al. Okay, methane. What is the spelling of methane? METHANE. So, now remove E from methane and write down al. So, it changes as methanol. So, methanol is the IUPAC name of HC double bond OH. Got it? Now, try the next example. CH3C double bond OH. How many carbons are here? 2 carbons. Can you name the parent hydrocarbon which has 2 carbons in it? It is called as ethane. Okay. So now replace E with al. So remove E from ethane. Spelling ETHANE. So by removing E and replacing Al, we get ethanol. So acetaldehyde IUPAC name is ethanol. Formaldehyde IUPAC name HC double bond OH, that is methanol, and acetaldehyde IUPAC name CH3C double bond OH, that is ethanol. Next, moving to ketones. So I have told you that the general formula of ketones is, do you remember? RC double bond O R dash. What are these R and R dash? There I have told you that R and R dash might be 2 alkyl groups or 2 aryl groups or 1 alkyl and 1 aryl group. Okay. Now, how to write common names of these ketones? Look at the sentence over here. The common name of simplest ketone is acetone. All the girls must be knowing about this acetone. This is very much familiar to girls because it is used as a nail paint remover. Okay. So the common name of simplest ketone is acetone, and the common names for all other ketones, they are obtained by adding the word ketone to the names of two alkyl groups. Students, general formula of ketone is RC double bond O R dash. There will be two alkyl groups or two aryl groups or one alkyl and aryl group. So what did I write here? The common names for other ketones, they are obtained by adding the word ketone to the names of two alkyl groups or two aryl groups or one alkyl and aryl group. So take a paper, write down the structure of the example given here. CH3C double bond O CH3. R C double bond O R dash. So R is CH3, R dash is also CH3. What is the common name of this? This is nothing but acetone. So you can also write it as adding the word ketone to the names of two alkyl groups. What are the two alkyl groups present in this compound? CH3. What is CH3 group called as? It is called as methyl group. Okay. How many methyl groups are there? Two methyl groups. So what should you do to get the name of this compound? Add the word ketone to the names of two alkyl groups. So one methyl and the other methyl. You cannot write methyl ketone. So you can write it together as dimethyl ketone. Acetone can also be called as dimethyl ketone. Students, this is also the common name of acetone. One more example, CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH3. On either side of sides of carbonyl group, we have one methyl group. And what is the other group, students? This is ethyl group, we call it as. Okay. Now, add the word ketone to the names of the two alkyl groups. So, ethyl, methyl, ketone. What is it called as, students? Ethyl, methyl, ketone. Next, one more structure, CH3, CH, CH3, C double bond O, CH3. So, this is called as, on either sides of carbonyl group, we have one alkyl group, that is methyl group, and the other alkyl group is isopropyl group. So, I have missed the name here. So, you just fill in the blank over here. So, how will you write the name of this structure? This is called as methyl isopropyl dash. What will you write here? It is a ketone. Very good. Methyl isopropyl ketone. You please add in your notebook. Just to test you, I have left the blank over here. Students, are you following? Okay. So the first one is dimethyl ketone. Second one ethyl methyl ketone. Third one is methyl isopropyl ketone. Next, how to write the IUPAC names of these ketones? In IUPAC system, ketones are called as alkanones. A-L-K-A-N-O-N-A-S. Alkanones. Now, come to the examples. So, I have taken again here acetone or dimethyl ketone. How to write IUPAC name of acetone? You now know the structure of it. CH3, C double bond O, CH3. How many carbons are there? 3 carbons are there. What is the name of the alkane having 3 carbons? It is propane. Okay. Now, where is this C double bond O group? 1, 2 and 3. Second carbon is the carbonyl group. So, how to write its name in IUPAC system? 2-propanone. Okay. E is replaced by ONE. 2-propanone. Next, CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH2, CH3. Total how many carbons are there? 5 carbons. If there are 5 carbons, we call the alkane as pentane. Okay. So, E should be replaced by ONE. Now, where is the carbonyl group? Third carbon has the carbonyl group. So, its name goes like this, 3-pentanone. Next, CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH double bond CH2. Okay. Now, how many carbons are there? 5 carbons are there. So, the alkane having 5 carbons is called as pentane. But there is a double bond here, so it becomes pentene. Now, which carbon has carbonyl group? Second carbon, and fourth carbon has the double bond. So its name goes like this: 4-pentane and 2-one. 4-pentane, 2-one. Fourth carbon has double bond and hence it is named as 4-pentane, and second carbon has carbonyl group and hence we call it as 2-one. 4-pentane, 2-one. So this is the way you write the IUPAC names of ketones. Okay. In IUPAC system, they are called as alkanones, and the common names of ketones are obtained by adding the word ketone to the names of two alkyl groups or two aryl groups or one alkyl or aryl group. Okay. So in this video, we have learned what are carbonyl compounds and what is the general formula of an aldehyde, what is the general formula of a ketone, and the examples for aldehydes and ketones, both common names and IUPAC names. Okay, so in the coming videos, I will try to explain the named reactions which we have in this carbonyl compounds. Okay, so those who are viewing this channel for the first time, please like, share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon so that whenever I upload new videos, you get the notifications and so that you can follow all these videos. Thank you.